Friends, India is changing now, and if we still do not join this page, then we will be left behind and the world will move forward. Now every field here is becoming digital, and Indian government has added a new dimension in the field of education. One of the same is the National Digital Library of India, which contains is the best book in the world after the initiative of the Indian government. It is just a click or a touch away from you. Its objective is to make digital education institute available to all citizens of the country and empower them for good education. This app has been developed by IIT Kharagpur and sponsored by Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. You can use the National Digital Library of India anywhere and anytime. Now it is also available as a mobile app in addition to the website. So friends, in this video we will use its mobile app and will explain all its features one by one. So let us also become digital now. Friends, when you open it for the first time, you will see such an interface. At the top you will see many topics below, learning resource type, and at the bottom featured sources. Friends, there are 17 million study materials of 160 sources in total 200 languages, which you will get in the form of text as well as audio video. If you click in the corner above, you will be able to see more features of it. Here you can search anything by clicking on the search bar, in which you can search by speaking along with the text. Let's search a book in front of you. Friends, all the results related to our search have come. Open anyone. Here is all the information related to the subject. If you want to open read it or want to hear or watch audio video, then first you have to log in. The good thing above it is that you can also download your books as PDF. If you click here, the filters will appear in front of you. You can also filter your search results from here by clicking on the corner button below. From here you can change your language. So friends, by using the National Digital Library of India, you can read the best books of the world on your mobile, that too in just one click. I hope you enjoy knowing about this. If there are any doubt or want to give us some suggestions, then don't forget to comment in the comment box below. Thanks.